Abigail from Sabalay ni Angel. Angel is actually my nickname, so
Okay,
so that's why we call it for. Yep.
Okay, what do you guys do here?
We're actually selling our specialty foods. Right now, I have fresh lumpia
Okay,
right
wonderful.
here, and
I still can't see it. Can you use it again?
oh, sure, right here.
Oh, hold on. Okay, wonderful. All
Oh,
right.
there you go.
And
And then I do have pancit right here.
wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So, you know, what if there was one dish that you're most well known for, what would that be?
Actually well known for our papaitan.
Okay. Why is
And,
that?
well, it's very tasty.
Right.
It's not too bitter. It's
Right.
just right on the taste for
Wonderful,
everyone.
wonderful,
Yeah.
Wonderful. And why is that your specialty?
Well, not a lot of people actually like the other restaurants cooking,
Right.
but they like my cooking of the papaitan. It's just the right taste for them.
The right
Also,
texture, right
yes,
flavor.
exactly.
Okay, and then so now, what is your most most marketable or food that you sell out the most on the most?
Actually, almost everything. Like
That's good.
I couldn't like point out which one I have. This is my son. So yeah.
Nagalit tuloy.
Sorry. And then I mean, we have the fresh lumpia, really, really good. And then we have this. This is really, really good shrimp roll.
Okay.
And I believe we're the only one who makes it.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful.
Exactly.
So now, is this something? How long have you been doing this?
Well, we've been catering on and off actually, but mind you, we're actually from High Desert in
Okay.
Victorville, so we drive all the way down here
Wow,
to just
yeah.
have everyone taste our
Right.
delicious food.
People
So
can just stop by when they're on their way to Vegas.
yes, exactly.
So is this something that how has the pandemic affected you and your business?
Well, it actually affected us. It's really, really great. Actually,
Okay.
it helped us market it more
Right.
because of people are really supporting a lot of small businesses. So
Right.
they're it's it does really help us a lot.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So is this something that you think you'll continue to do even post pandemic?
We'll do.
Yeah?
Exactly. Yeah, I've earned a lot more friends doing this this business. This is actually our just side businesses.
Right.
So,
Right.
yep. Yeah, right. So,
I'll film
anyway.
I'll film them in a second.
Awesome.
But, okay, so this is something you want to do even post pandemic.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so then how can we find you? How can we find you online?
Oh, I do have a page, a Facebook page.
Okay.
Just type in Sabalay ni Angel,
Uh-huh.
and you can call or text me for orders,
Okay.
619-274-6545.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, thank you.